Hello, IBM and mentors from Smart Interns. Very good evening. Now, I want to demonstrate my project, what I have registered for after this Gurukul program. We have gained a lot of knowledge from the lovely program that have been conducted in the last week on AI and ML using Watson Studio, Node-RED, and lots of other such applications. So we have used all that knowledge we have acquired from the last week's program, and I have built a diabetes prediction application, and I want to demonstrate my project now. For that, the steps I have followed is I have used Watson Studio to create a project, and I added Auto AI experiment to it by creating an ML instance and associating that ML to the project. Now I have loaded the dataset to cloud object storage first. Then I selected the prediction parameter. I used PyMindIan's dataset that is available on Kaggle, and that has lots of parameters which will be used to predict whether that particular person is prone to acquire diabetes or not. In that scenario, I have selected the prediction parameter as outcome variable, what is given in the dataset itself, because the various features or parameters that are given are insulin, random glucose, number of pregnancies. This is mainly the data set. The data points are mainly female features. Okay, all the data set contains only the female sample points. So we have taken this particular data set, and in that all the features like random glucose, number of pregnancies, insulin, body mass index, diabetes pedigree function, and skin thickness, various such features are taken, which are used to predict whether that particular person will acquire diabetes or not. Yeah, all these data points are taken, measured from female population only. Now, I have used from this particular data set, I have used the prediction parameter as the outcome variable, what is given in the data set directly. And I have used it to train the model by taking 90% as the training split and 10% as the held out or test split or the validation split. Now, I have also deployed it and built a web application using Node-RED application builder. Now, I have taken the top most performing model. After tuning the hyperparameters, Auto AI experiment have given that XGBoost classifier is performing the best by giving around 0.77 accuracy. Okay, so that notebook I have downloaded, and that I'll be uploading to the Git repository, which actually gives us how the parameter tuning and all have been done. Now I'm going to share my screen in order to demonstrate the project that I have built. Okay, this is the flow what we have used in order to make the UI, make the predictions by associating this with the Auto AI experiment. Now, I'll show you the user interface. I tried to customize this user interface by using some appealing colors so that the user will have a good experience while using this diabetes prediction application window. Now, there are some previous prediction available, and there is some previous prediction available here. I am trying to reset so that I can enter my new data. So the new data I'm entering is number of pregnancies 1, and random glucose is 85, blood pressure is 66, Skin thickness 29. I'm taking the same data point from the Excel sheet so that I can validate my result, whether it is correct or not. And insulin is 0. And BMI, body mass index, is 26.6 with diabetes pedigree function 0.351 as the value, and age is 31. Now, when we submit this, the trained model will make the prediction. Now we can see here your chance of getting diabetes is 0. It has predicted that with a person with these feature values have no chances of acquiring diabetes. So it is predicted as 0. Now let me reset and enter different set of values. Number of pregnancies 8 and random glucose 183 and blood pressure is 64, skin thickness 0, insulin 0, 23.3 is the body mass index, with diabetes pedigree function 0.672 and age 32. Now, when we submit this to the trained model, we'll get the prediction and it is given as 1. Means a person with these feature values has chances of acquiring diabetes. That is why the prediction given here is 1. In addition to this, I also added some extra links which would be helpful for the user of this application, like diabetes diet plan, which will open a link to this healthifyme.com website, where the patient will get, or the user will get, lot of information about the diabetes diet plan to be followed in order to fight with this diabetes. Now the second link is suggested exercises to fight diabetes, and that I have provided the link to healthline.com. And here on this site, different exercises to fight with diabetes are prescribed. Now the third link is patient support community on Facebook. Normally when the when the user gets diagnosed with a disease, they feel somewhat isolated, or they feel like connecting with their peers having the same symptoms, right? By connecting in such a way, by connecting with a community of the other people suffering from the same kind of symptoms or from same kind of disease. In that way, they will overcome their geographical isolation or emotional isolation, irrespective of their geographical locations, right? That is why I tried to suggest some patient support groups. These days, even doctors are suggesting to be part of some patient support groups online in order to get some emotional support and also connect with their peers in the same situation. That is why I have given this link. And finally, the last link is to information about the details to be entered, because some layman using this application may not know what exactly the symptoms are, or what exactly the features are. So they will click on this link and they'll get the details about what features they're actually going to enter into the app in order to get the prediction. So this is my project, and I thank all the mentors from Smart Interns for providing me 24/7 support. And whenever I got stuck, they provided a lot of helpful suggestions to me. And when my usage time was actually completed, they provided me with a new email ID in order to complete my project. I thank everyone who helped me in completing this project. Thanks a lot.